You are going to love the 2017 Titan. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, bed liner, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.